Hello everyone, welcome to another one of my videos. Today I want to first start off by making an appeal to all my loyal subscribers and to the people who are always checking out my videos. Kindly do help me to share and like my videos so that we can grow this platform, and I'll continue producing as much content as I can. Also, today I want to show you and demonstrate how you can take advantage and use your bones, the beef bones that you have in the house, or you probably come across at the butcher. And I'm going to do that by using 3 veggies as well. These are celery, carrots, and mushrooms. And of course, you have the bones themselves. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel what needs to be peeled, dice what needs to be diced, and clean what needs to be cleaned. After that, I'm going to take my bones, place them on a baking tin, apply some cooking oil on it, sprinkle some oil, and then I'm going to place it in the oven. I'm going to bake these bones, or let me just call it roasting. I'm going to roast it for about 30 to 40 minutes. Purpose being, I'm trying to bring out that flavor and revive that flavor back from the bones. And after that, after I roast them out, we're going to take them out, remove the bones from the baking tin, and we're going to do the same. We're going to place back the vegetables on the bottom and the bones right on top of the veggies. And we're going to place this back in the oven so that all the flavors from the bones and the oils, the juices that have been released from the tin, they'll all infuse in the veggies and the bones as well. This time I'm going to place them in the oven for about 20 minutes or so. After that, I'm going to take them out, and using a big, large sauce pot that can take up a large some amount of water, I'm going to place these items, beginning with the bones and the veggies. After placing them in the oven, in the container, I'm going to add some water, and after that I'm going to cover it and bring it to a boil. In my case, I'm using a pressure cooker. So once I bring it to a boil, I'm going to open that and then add in my herbs. For the herbs, I'm going to use some cinnamon stick, bay leaf, and thyme and bay leaf and basil herbs as well, and of course seasoning, which is salt and black pepper. After that, I'm going to cover it again, make sure the water is enough to simmer this, because we're going to simmer this for about 4 to 5 hours. And let it simmer for as much time as it's needed. After that, we're going to take out the bones first after the hours are over, and then we're going to strain the broth. At this point, it's called beef broth. We're going to strain it, and the broth that is left, we're going to set it aside, and in a different container, we're going to heat it up and add in our butter. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm trying to prepare a roux. A roux is basically a combination of butter and flour that is purposely meant for thickening the soups and the sauces. And all you need to do is place the butter in the sauce pot, add the flour, slow moderate stages, and keep mixing so that it creates that thick bottom as you can see on the video basically. And after that, you're going to add in the broth in small amounts, of course, because you want the roux not to overwhelm the broth, making it too light. You want the thickness to be precise. So you're going to balance the level of broth you're adding while checking whether the roux is sufficient. So basically, once you're done with that, you're going to add in a sprinkle of soy sauce. And of course, check your seasoning. You can add in some seasoning, which is salt and black pepper. And what we have here is something called beef gravy. Beef gravy can be used on a lot of dishes. And when as you can see from the video, the consistency is on point. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.